Lesson 7-4, learning target 1 and 2, solving rational equations, and identifying extraneous solutions, which are values in the denominator that don't work. Problem number 3. 1 minus 2 over x equals 15 over x squared. So in order to do this problem, we need common denominators. And our first fraction of 1 just has a denominator of 1. So I have a denominator of 1, x, and x squared. So my common denominator needs to be x squared in order for everything to be the same. So my common denominator is x squared. I'm going to continue using the same strategy I used on the previous problems by multiplying each fraction by the common denominator to get rid of the fractions. So I'm going to rewrite my original problem. And on the left side of each fraction, I'm going to put an x squared over 1 because that is what I am multiplying each part by. Again, parentheses around the original parts and then x squared on the left. Now multiplying across the top and across the bottom, x squared times 1 is x squared, 1 times 1 is 1, minus x squared times 2 would be 2x squared. 1 times x in the denominator is x, equals 15x squared over x squared. Now I need to simplify each fraction. X squared will just give me x squared minus 2x squared divided by x. That means there's 2 x's on the top, that's what x squared means, and 1 in the bottom, so I can cross out one of them. So I have 2x equals, and on the right hand side of the equals, the x squareds cancel out, and I'm left with 15. Now this looks similar to something I've seen before, but I can't solve it because it's equal to 15. But what I can do is move the 15 to the left and get it equal to 0, and then use my factoring skills. Now I have x squared minus 2x minus 15 equals 0. I definitely can do this. I need two things that multiply to negative 15, and those same two numbers need to add to negative 2. Pairs of numbers that multiply to 15 are 1 and 15 and 3 and 5. 3 and 5 will be my pair. I need one of each because the 15 is negative, and because it's negative 2, the 5 will need to be negative. So my two factors become x plus 3 and x minus 5 equals 0. Here's the zero product property because two things are multiplying and the answer is 0. Either x plus 3 equals 0, which gives me x equals negative 3, and x minus 5 equals 0, which gives me x equals 5. Two solutions for problem number 3.